how to add turbo token to bitget wallet. Now to be able to do that, make sure to open the token on CoinMarketCap website. Now after that, go to contract and copy the Solana address or Ethereum. So after you copy the Ethereum that should you choose, for me I choose Solana. Now go and open your bitget wallet. Now after that, as you can see, click on this plus icon. Now from here, if you copy the Ethereum wallet, Ethereum network, sorry, just go and select the Ethereum. If you copy the Solana network as I did for this tutorial, I just go and select Solana. So after that, copy the token address as you can see, and you will be able to find your token. Now just click on this little plus icon and you will be able to add it on your wallet. To make sure that you add it successfully to your wallet, make sure to select the Solana from here as a network, and now scroll down until you find your token. So this is our token. So this is how to add turbo token to your bitget wallet. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.